Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing fantastic. We are looking at the Sandbox Sand today, Metaverse Gaming Play to Earn token, pumping over 20% because of some massive news, which is really vital, to be honest. It's a huge collaboration, huge partnership, and just looking at the price structure over the last quarter, it's looking really quite bullish, to be honest, from 0.38 all the way up to 0.89. So it is pumping a lot. Total supply 50% in circulation as well, which is also rather good, to take into consideration. So it's up 21% against Bitcoin. Crazy stuff. Here it is, Sebastian. It was a true honor to sign our MOU partnership, as we can see right here. Ceremony between the Sandbox game and the Saudi Arabia Digital Government Authority DGA during LEAP 2023 conference, and we look forward to exploring, advising and supporting mutually each other in activations of the metaverse. Of course, this is super bullish. We can see here Saudi Arabia from the block. The Sandbox agreed to collaborate on metaverse project, so this is absolutely huge exposure, and I think it's really cool to see what could potentially happen over the next few weeks for this coin. I would probably expect downside, to be honest. I don't know what could happen with the remainder of this 50% circulation because of this particular partnership, but it's interesting. So of course we're down significantly on the year. I mean, from prices of $7+ looking at the market cap as well, we need to retrieve a $6.87 billion all-time high, which is a lot, but it's still sitting at $1.3 billion. So even if it does a 10x in the future, it will go to $13 billion, which effectively would take you to a 2x. But if double the supply went into circulation again, the price would be exactly the same, even though the market capital is twice as high. So we've got to consider that as well. Here's the Sandbox website. Still looking really good. Loads of games, cool stuff. I do think it's a beautiful ecosystem, lots of earning potential, staking, loads and loads of different games to be exploring and playing as well. So we're going to look at the price analysis as well as an alternative. In the Discord, we're looking at lots of pre-sales right now, leverage trading. So if you like that short sort of gains idea, high risk, high reward, please feel free to take a look. And I do also have a Patreon channel as well, where you can get loads of different benefits, such as early access to pre-sales. Some guys have made some money on the Calvaria Play to Earn token just recently, and if you want these benefits, do check out my Patreon link down below. Help support the channel so I can also give more things back to you guys in the community. So Sandbox, second monthly green consecutive candle over here. Now we have broken through a resistance level, which was at around $0.086. So we're getting that positive price continuation now. Looking pretty good on the monthly side of things, but we are, of course, significantly down from the all-time high up here of $8.50. So we're still down, still a long way for recovery, but it is looking good as we kind of do produce some more higher highs over here. It's hard to say if we are topping out. We are sort of forming a little bit of a rising wedge formation on this weekly time frame. So it's difficult to say, are we really going to see more positive price continuation at this point? We need more volume. We need to see some more big buyers in the space. Otherwise, this could be a short-lived pump followed by a retracement down to like 0.67. Next target is technically around $1.03. We do need to bust back through this resistance level of roughly 0.95 cents to see that bullish momentum moving forward. Moving into a smaller time frame here for Sandbox, we are forming a red candle, which is pretty normal following such a big pump. Fib extension, fib retracement rather. Downside does suggest 0.79 at that golden pocket level there too. And in the 4 hour, we are just getting that rollover with some lower highs, well as some lower lows simultaneously. So it's really difficult to pinpoint exactly what's going to happen, but okay, now we can see what's happening. It looks a bit like a double top on the hourly time frame. Doesn't mean it's going to be bearish, doesn't mean we're going to see a bearish reversal for sure, guys, but I would be looking at this shape here, which is clearly an M, which usually is a bearish double top reversal pattern. So if we lost this support here, the neckline of 0.87, we could expect a loss in price structure by the depth of this particular pattern, which is around 7% to the downside. So it would take us to about that 0.8 level, which again, when we look at that 0.8 level, I'm pretty sure that aligns with that 0.61 fib level. Pretty close. So we can sort of use this as speculation now, guys. You can see the volume dropping off. We can see that double top position neckline 0.618 fib. They're all kind of telling us something, aren't they? So yeah, Sandbox certainly looking good for the future, long term. If you're looking for quicker gains and you like your play to earn tokens, there is also the Meta Masters Guild. Now, I want to be honest, I hold $4,000 worth of this particular token, and it's in pre-sale stage 6. One me mag token is $0.021. The listing price will be 0.023. So not long to go until this does get deployed on multiple centralized and decentralized exchanges. MetaMasters Guild is effectively the fastest growing play to earn guild of 2023. We can see it's KYC'd, audited already. They've got a transparent team. 3 games in the making: Metacart Races, Meta Masters World Raid NFTs. I've got some very cool NFTs, so I'm just plugging you to this one, guys. Do your own research. This is not financial advice. You can find their white paper. Here is their contract address. And we can see even buying now does enable a little bit of profit once it does launch. Of course, I can't guarantee results. Might make money, might lose money. We don't know the future. We are in a bear market. And here is the team working behind this particular pre-sale. So if you like the idea of this pre-sale, have a look at the links I've got provided down below to the MetaMasters Guild. You can also learn more about this pre-sale here in my Discord channel in the MetaMasters Guild tab. So lots of keen investors. Bitcoin looking good today. Golden Cross, guys. Last time we had a Golden Cross was over here in October 2022. So we might see some pump to the upside. That would be fantastic if it's got some bullish continuation. 25k is my technical target here. 25k is a big resistance, but we are sort of trading in a broadening ascending wedge over here. So hopefully we can see 25k for Bitcoin. That would be so bullish if we got to see that. And yeah, guys, stay crypto safe, please. Please stay crypto safe. Let's see what can happen over the next few days. Alt season index looking good, looking good. If you could please do me one favor and just share my channel with 5 of your friends today, that would be so helpful. Have a look at the MetaMasters Guild pre-sale down below. Consider becoming a patron. It would really, really help, and get yourself into the Discord. Bye for now, guys. Take care. See you soon.